What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and this episode I'm going to show you a tour of my new apartment. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without seeing me. People eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so here we are, we're going to walk in. Check out what I've done with the place. So when you first walk in, it's a big bright living room. I just got the new painting, a few guitars on the wall. There's a couch and an armchair and a dining room table. Then it leads out here to the balcony. There's two balconies, this is the first one. And hey, if you're watching this and you're sitting at home and you're thinking, wow, I would love to live there. How can I teach English in Cambodia? Well, check in the link in the description. AVSE TESOL. It's government accredited and they line you up with a job after. It takes place in the country or it can also be done online. And if you already have a certificate, they have other programs just to line you up with jobs. So go check out the website. If you decide to enroll, put Tom Trips Out as the referral. It really helps support the channel. Alright, back to the video. And then past the dining table down here is the kitchen area. Got a 2-burner stove, 2 sinks, washing machine. Then there's a bathroom here. First of 2 bathrooms, and I use this one more to hang up my laundry, and it's like the secondary bathroom I don't use really. Carrying on to the bedroom. It's the bathroom in the master bathroom. This is the one I use way more. And I've put a small fan in here because it's kind of, when you're in here doing your business, it can turn into a little sunroom. So it's nice to switch that on and have a breeze and move the air around in here, and after you have a shower too, to get the steam out. And then the master bedroom is huge as well. I've got the curtains open right now. Around the corner here, it's like panoramic windows. So it's like floor to ceiling windows that go all around. And I decided to put my desk over here. This is where I can work on things and do my online teaching and getting my websites together and everything. And enjoy the view of TTP or Russian market while I do it. Bed is huge too. I'm tall, my feet usually hang off the end, and on this one it doesn't, so I think it's at least queen, maybe even a king size. Lots of space. And then the second balcony, I don't use this one really. It's got a good view as well. Yeah, that's the tour of my new place. I love it here. It really reminds me of the place I had in Toronto. It had the same layout in the living room, and I had guitars on the wall and a few out on stands just like I do now here. And so it feels a lot more like this is my place instead of getting a good deal at temporarily staying in someone else's place. And out here in the hallway there's a communal balcony. And there's a place to hang clothes, and it's good more for drafts of wind and air come through there, and I open up my front door sometimes, and there's cold air flowing in from that outside communal balcony. So I just leave my front door open for like 15 minutes and it just refreshes all the air. I open my balcony door and there's that cool air flowing through. So a couple times throughout the day I just let all the wind blow through. So here we are stepping out of my place. It's Russian market area, or Tul Tompong it's called. It's really popular with expats, and it's also called Russian market. It's really great location. Hey, if you're interested in Cambodia or you like my videos, consider becoming a member. I have a members section. It's $3.99 a month, and there's exclusive videos every day. I put a new video every day for the members. I go live and they post up there, so they're collecting and collecting. There's already tons there. So go join the members. Go to the homepage and press join. Hey. So that was the Deck. That's a popular bar that I play at sometimes, and I often do videos from there. And those two guys that just waved to me, there are a few musicians that also play there often, and I've played at shows with them before. One's from a band called, I think they both are from Japan Guitar Shop, and maybe another band too. And then around the corner here is Lola. So we've just passed the Deck, and then you turn right here on 460. Just a few steps down is Lola Music Lounge, and that's where I play a lot. And I have a gig this Saturday with a heavy rock band with hip-hop vocals. And then 2 weeks after that, I'm playing with my solo stuff here. And then that's my building right there. It's white one. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.